The workshop of tempera, and we are using egg tempera,
Okay.
egg yolk as emulsion. So we made the emulsion by mixing egg yolk, water, and some drops of linseed.
Okay.
So egg tempera is a very fast drying technique. When we mix linseed, it gives you little time.
Okay.
It will not dry, in the
So
brush.
for blending and all, we get enough time.
Yeah.
Right.
If you want little blending, because in temper you cannot blend.
Yeah.
It's all like hatching, cross hatching, little lines.
So that's the method.
That's the method.
Okay.
So it takes long time to complete one year, like months, But if you want to blend, then you can add a little more linseed.
Linseed oil. Okay.
But not much, like not 1:1. It's like percentage maybe 2% or 3%. It can be like 5%, but not more than that.
Not more than that. Okay.
Otherwise, it will be like
Yeah. It will become just like oil color.
പെട്ടെന്ന് ഉണങ്ങാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി
അതെ.
സ്ലോയിൽ पैकेट वाला ब्लैक
You made it?
या
This is the same